All right, so for you to be able to create a promo code, you have to be an affiliate of OneWin platform. There is somewhere where you have to click for you to apply to join into the program. And once you're accepted in, you create an account, and this is the dashboard that you're gonna see. So how do you go about the process of creating that promo code? So you have to visit PR Tools, then click promo codes. After clicking promo codes, you'll be brought back to the main dashboard. Okay, and you need to click on top there so as to create the promo code. Here you need to craft something that will prompt people, like OneWin Elisha. So that's my promo code in capital letters. You can come up with your own. You can also consult ChatGPT to help you with a catchy promo code. And then you click source. Here you simply go by default source. Thereafter you hit create, and the promo code will actually be created, as you can see here. So the next thing that you need to do is now to share that promo code. So you click there, and then you send it to your groups. Wherever you will post the video, you can as well paste it in the description section of the video. Now then, you may have a question like, how then can you create an invitation link? So the procedure is almost the same. You go to PR Tools, then you click links. Remember, this time around you're trying to create an invitation link. This small window will pop up, so you need to click on top there so as to create the name of the link you're creating. So I've clicked that now. I've named it invitation link. Then you need to select the domain. Okay, so I've already done that, and then you choose the direct, what will the people be doing on the platform. Okay, and then after you're done, you'll be brought back to this page. So you can now copy the link and share it on different platforms. You understand what I'm saying? You can share it on Telegram, on WhatsApp, so that your followers can click the link and then use it to create accounts.